Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos of machine learning, image processing, like sharpening the image, removing unwanted objects from image, then cropping the image, then recognizing the facial expression from the image, and many more videos on machine learning and image processing. Today's video is really interesting and new creative. For that, let us go through the presentation. Image processing, blur image. The image complexity is a mathematical operation performed on image to modify or enhance its feature. It is done by applying complexity, a small matrix, to each pixel of image. A new value of central pixel is obtained by operating the convolutional kernel matrix on values of all its neighboring pixel. The best to do this is Gussian blurring of image. Gussian blurring, it is a popular image processing technique used to reduce image noise and sharpness by applying a Gussian filter to image. The Gussian filter is a convolutional matrix whose values are calculated based on Gussian function. Now we will go to the Python program. As we know, computer vision CV2 is a very popular image processing library. We are used in almost every image processing program video. Then next statement, I image, read the image sachin2.jpg. then blur, to make the blur the image, this function is used. Just now we have seen about that. Gussian blur, then show the blurred image and the original image, and wait key and destroy all window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, this is the original image and this is the blurred image. So we are successfully done with making the image blurred using Python script. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.